So hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna explain you how to check estimated revenue on YouTube from US. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's jump into the topic. So firstly, open your Creator Studio in your browser. Okay, so whenever you are trying to open your Creator Studio in your mobile browser, then a small error is encountering. So I will show you practically from here. So whenever I tap on my profile and click on Creator Studio, then it will be redirected to my Creator Studio app, right? So to rectify this problem, so you need to click on your channel and click on Customize Channel. So whenever you click on this Customize Channel button, then it will be redirected to your customization option. So from here you can directly change from customization to channel analytics. Okay, so after that go to revenue, and here you can see all the revenue stuff, right? So now just tap on advanced mode, then your advanced mode of your revenue analytics will be appear here. Just go to geography and click on this secondary matrix and click on more matrices. Okay, from here you need to click on your estimated revenue. Okay, so whenever you tap on this your estimated revenue, then it will be showing you the estimated revenue on YouTube will be appear here. So this is how you can check estimated revenue on YouTube from US. Okay, so thank you for watching.